Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best preteen gifts are probably one of the most exciting and sometimes challenging purchases a parent or loved one can make, especially when trying to find that perfect item that balances fun, engagement, and a touch of independence for girls aged 10 and up. Navigating the ever-changing landscape of tween interests requires a keen eye for what's trending, what's educational, and what simply sparks joy, ensuring your chosen present isn't just another item, but a memorable experience that resonates with their developing personalities and burgeoning sense of self. Number 5. Dr. Unicorn Hooded Bathrobe Sleepwear. Wrap your little one in pure magic with this adorable hooded bathrobe. It's perfect for cozy nights and fun bath times. Designed for ultimate comfort and enchanting style, this sleepwear brings unicorn dreams to life. It's a delightful addition to any child's wardrobe. Crafted from ultra-soft material, it provides a gentle touch against sensitive skin. This robe ensures warmth and coziness all day long. Looking for a unique gift for a special girl? This unicorn hooded robe is a fantastic choice for birthdays or any occasion. Transition from bath time to bedtime with ease and enchantment. This versatile piece offers comfort and joy for your child's daily routine. Let their imagination soar with this whimsical unicorn design. It's more than just sleepwear, it's an invitation to magical adventures. What we like? Wrap yourself in pure magic with this ultra-soft unicorn bathrobe. It's perfect for staying warm and cozy after bath time or just lounging around. If you're looking for a gift that combines comfort with a touch of fantasy, this is the one. What people say? Beautiful, the plush fabric is soft, and the sizing runs true to size. I also loved the variety of colors. The material is really soft and cozy, and she loves wearing it after bath time and even just lounging around. The unicorn hood is adorable and makes it extra fun. It fits well, washes nicely, and feels like good quality. Muy bien destino, buenas costuras, buena tela, en general la calidad buena. La tela es correcta y sumamente suave. Number 4. Mind-glowing Galaxy Moon Lamp. Transform any room into a stunning starlit galaxy with this amazing lamp. You can easily control the ambience using touch or remote. Let your nights be dreamy and your imagination bright. Create a calming adventure every night with multiple cycling modes and 16 soothing colors. Choose the perfect hue to match your mood, whether you need a soft glow or a playful light. This lamp creates a soothing and secure environment with up to 20 hours of light. Its dimmer and auto-off timer ensure a calming glow that promotes restful sleep. Designed with durability and safety in mind, it features BPA-free materials and a splinter-free wooden stand. The cool-to-touch LED lights make it a safe addition to any child's room. Spark imagination with this award-winning favorite, perfect for birthdays or any special occasion. It's a timeless gift that's sure to be cherished. What we like? Transform any room into a celestial wonderland with this stunning Galaxy Moon Lamp. It offers a vast array of colors and lighting modes to suit any mood, all controllable with a simple touch or remote. If you want to create a dreamy, calming atmosphere for bedtime or add a unique, trendy decor piece to a room, this lamp is an excellent choice. What people say? The moon ball itself has a glittery texture to it, so when it's not lit up, it is actually a pretty cool eye-catching decor. It's pretty mesmerizing when it is lit up and the remote control is a nice touch. It has quite a few different light colors and patterns so it keeps entertaining as time goes on. The design is good, charges via a C-style cord, included, and has a nice stand. It looks neat and interesting, and doesn't take too much space while bringing a neat glow to the dark room. I could see getting a larger size for display purposes, but this works decent for a shelf or corner of a desk. Light output is nice. It's lightweight, you can change it to several different colors, there are different brightness settings, different timers, different settings for making it cycle through the different colors, strobe, fade, etc., and it has accurate topography for the moon. It's very pretty. Number 3. Children's Place Girls Basic Denim Jacket. Introducing a timeless essential for your little one's wardrobe. This jacket offers classic style that never goes out of fashion. Crafted from durable denim, it's designed to withstand all her adventures. This piece is built to last through countless wears and washes. Perfect for layering over any outfit, it adds a touch of cool to any look. It's versatile enough for school, playdates, or family outings. Featuring a comfortable fit and easy-to-use closures, it's a breeze to put on and take off. She'll love wearing this jacket everywhere she goes. This essential denim jacket is a must-have for any young fashionista. It's the perfect addition to complete her everyday style. What we like. This basic denim jacket is a timeless wardrobe essential that goes with everything. Its durable design means it can withstand everyday wear and tear, making it perfect for active kids. If you're looking for a versatile, stylish, and long-lasting outerwear option that can be layered over any outfit, this jacket is a must-have. What people say. The quality is excellent, sturdy denim that still feels soft and comfortable for kids to wear. The fit is great and looks cute with so many outfits, from dresses to casual tees. It washes well, holds its shape, and feels like it will last through plenty of adventures. Number 2. Holy Stone HS190 Foldable Mini Drone. This mini drone is designed for effortless fun, featuring one-click takeoff and landing. Its exciting 3D flips add an extra layer of thrill to every flight. Enjoy a stable flight with altitude hold, keeping it at a fixed height. The headless mode makes navigation intuitive, perfect for beginners and kids. It offers 3 speed modes, from low to high, allowing pilots of all skill levels to customize their flying experience. Safety is paramount with propeller guards protecting little hands. An emergency stop function ensures it lands immediately to prevent damage or injury. This incredibly small drone folds neatly into its controller, fitting easily into your pocket. It's the perfect companion for parties, travel, and outdoor fun. Looking for a cool Christmas toy gift for kids? This portable quadcopter is an ideal choice for boys, girls, and beginners alike. What we like. Get ready for airborne adventures with this mini foldable drone. It's designed for ease of use with features like one-click takeoff and altitude hold, making it perfect for beginners and kids. If you want a fun, portable toy that offers exciting flying experiences and can be taken anywhere, this drone is a fantastic option. What people say. It is easy to fly, with the altitude hold function which keeps it set at whatever height you want. Headless mode is good for new pilots. You don't have to pay much attention to which way the drone is headed, so forward is always away from you and back is always toward you, right is always right and left is always left. It will do flips in any direction, and the fast rotation button makes it spin in place quickly, either staying at the same height or you can move it up and down while it spins. It's small, very responsive, and very easy to use. We love how the drone fits right in the controller, it keeps it safe. Number 1. Mind-glowing photo clip string light. Light up any corner with the gentle, warm glow of this 16.4-foot string of 50 LEDs. It's perfect for creating a cozy reading nook, a chic study area, or a relaxing retreat that feels inviting and serene. Everything you need is included to start decorating right away. You'll find a 16.4-foot copper string with 50 LEDs, a remote control, 50 photo clips, wall hooks, and adhesive strips, all in a trendy, gift-ready box. Choose between USB for continuous power or 3X AAA batteries for flexible placement. These lights are perfect for bedrooms, dorms, or even outdoor adventures, adapting easily to your needs. Easily create any mood you desire with 8 twinkle modes and adjustable brightness. Control everything with the remote dimmer and auto timer for the perfect ambience at any moment. This bundle includes everything you need, all in gift-ready packaging. It transforms any room into a warm, inviting retreat and comes with a 4-year warranty for lasting peace of mind. What we like. Create a personalized and cozy atmosphere with these fairy lights featuring photo clips. The warm, gentle glow combined with the ability to display cherished memories makes any space feel more inviting. If you're looking to add a touch of magic and personal flair to a bedroom or living area, or want a unique way to showcase photos, these lights are ideal. What people say. The clips are great for displaying photos, artwork, or little mementos, and the soft glow of the lights creates a cozy atmosphere. It's a fun, customizable decor piece that adds a unique vibe to any room. The soft glow adds such a cozy, festive touch, and I love how easy they are to use. Plus, with so many different lighting options, you can customize the ambience however you like. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.